Hello. Today we're going to be learning to read 3 digraphs. They're digraphs that you might have seen at school. Before we do that, we're going to look at 5 letters along here, which are very special letters. These 5 letters are called vowels, and most words have one of these letters in them. So to start with, you're going to tell me the sound of each letter. You're going to say it first and then I will say it after you. So this one is A, E, I, O, A. Now these letters also have names. So see if you can tell me the names of each of the letters. You say the name first and I'll say it after you. A, E, I, O, U. Now I'm going to show you a digraph. This digraph has 2 of the vowels in it. It has the A and the I together. And when 2 vowels go out walking together, the first one does the talking. The name of the first one is A. So that is the sound they make together. We're going to sing a little song. I'm going to sing it first and then we'll sing it again and you can join in. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. These 2 letters make A. See if you can join in with me. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. These 2 letters make A. Let's try another one. This has got 2 of our vowels as well. It's got the O and the A. The O is the first one that does the talking, so the sound they make together is O. I'll sing the song first and then you can have a go at joining in with me. When 2 vowels walking, the first one does the talking. These 2 letters make O. See if you can join in. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. These 2 letters make O. Let's have a look at another digraph. We've got 2 vowels here as well. We've got this one, E, and another E. The first one does the talking. Its name is E, so E is the sound they make together. So I'm going to sing you the song. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. These 2 letters make E. See if you can sing it with me. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. These 2 letters make E. So now I'm going to collect up those 3 digraphs and you're going to see if you can tell me the sound for each of them. Remember, it's the name of the first one that will tell you the sound they make together. You're going to say the sound first and I'll say it after you. E, O, A, E, A, E, A, O. Now I'm going to try and go a little bit faster. A, O, E, O, A, E, A. Now we'll go faster still. You say the sound. O, A, E, O. Can you say it before me? A, O, E, A, E, O. Well done. You can play that video back again to help you to remember the sound that those three digraphs make. Have fun.